Hey everyone, I'm Andrew with Mohawk Handyman, and today I wanted to show you the finished product here at the master bathroom remodel in Whitesboro. So we've completed the job here, and I wanted to show you a few things. If you remember, the old bathroom had a toilet right here, and then a vanity sink next to it. Now we've added this walk-in shower. And so this walk-in shower was actually part of the old closet. And now that this is here, the house has 2 full bathrooms, which adds a lot of value to the house. And then over here, this section actually had a pass-through cut into the wall, and you could walk all the way into the kitchen. So we eliminated that, and we installed this beautiful aerial vanity, and the client liked this natural oak, which is really beautiful, with a Carrera marble top. And then it's finished out with a Moen faucet. Another detail that I just want to highlight is here in the shower. This is a Castico shower, and so I'll actually open up the door here just so you can see. This material is a 1/2 inch thick. It's made in the United States. It's made in Texas, and it's a really solid product. The base, the walls, they come in a variety of colors, and this is the Carrera marble. Above the shower, it looks like we just have a can light in there, but that can light is actually a bathroom fan. So instead of having this large fan body that's protruding into the room, this sleek can light looks a lot more aesthetically pleasing. We've installed a couple of what they call robe hooks for towels, washcloth inside the shower, towel one right here. And there's plenty of space in this bathroom. It went from being small and cramped to having plenty of maneuverability here in front of the toilet. There's a really nice layout. I wanted to show you the finished hallway bathroom remodel. And so first I want to start with the space. The space is a lot larger, as you can tell. The old bathroom had a vanity right here, and it was across this entire wall. And then the toilet was actually right about here. So it didn't leave much space. The bathtub was in this section right here where this door is. So when you came in, you had to open the door, kind of move to the corner where the toilet and vanity were, close the door, and then you could have access to the tub. We've since opened that up. So remember, we've taken out some closet space, and we've added and bumped the shower down to that section. Castico showers are actually made in the United States. They're made in Weslaco, Texas, and they're very durable products. So this is a 1/2 inch thick material, and it's a composite stone, and behind that is a Durarock layer. And that Durarock layer is waterproofed as well and sealed at the joints. And so altogether, you're looking at 1 inch of a very strong shower wall system. There's no flex at all to this. You put a lot of weight on this. You can tell it's just a solid, well-made product. And they come in different customization options. So you can have these same walls with a different color base, and there's a lot of options to choose from. And so we have some samples that if it's something that you're interested in, we'd be happy to show you what those look like and how those feel. So moving on over to the vanity sink here. This is also matching what is in the bathroom next door in the master bathroom. This is an Ariel Hepburn vanity. This one is in 43 inch. So this 43 inch is nice because you get some small organization drawers down here. The drawers are just big enough to where you can put things that you need in them without having it be disorganized and cluttered. It also has a nice feature here, this small little pivot drawer in the front of the cabinet, which a lot of times that's just dead space. And as you can see, all of this has nice soft close hinges on it. So it's a really good quality piece, also with a Carrera marble top. And then for more storage space here in the bathroom, since we eliminated a linen closet that was out in the hallway, we added this nice linen cabinet here in the bathroom. So this is also matching oak with soft close hinges, and it just gives you a little bit extra space to store towels and other bathroom products. So last but not least is the toilet. This is an American Standard Champion model toilet. And so this is the toilet they advertise that can flush a bucket of golf balls Why you would try to do that, I'm not sure, but it says that it can do it. So it's a really nice toilet, and it's also a toilet that's easy to repair if you ever needed to. 10, 20 years down the line, the parts are readily available, so I highly recommend American Standard. And then throughout the bathroom, we have some different fixtures here that are also matching the same style as the faucet and the shower valve. They're the Moen Rizza style. And here we also set up the light switch to be a 2-gang box rather than a 3-gang box. What does that mean? It means that there's only 2 sections for switches here. Instead of having this really large, bulky switch plate, we condensed it down so the fan has the fan light and then the fan motor, all on the same switch, and it's more intuitive than having a separate one that you have to figure out and forget which one is which. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying tuned with us as we've been upgrading this bathroom. And if you have questions, thoughts, or comments, put them in the comment section below. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.